Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and are safe at your places. In our previous video, we were doing chapter 4, which is a poem, The Little Boy's May-Day Song, and the poet was Eliza Lee Fullen. Today we have to do question answers of this poem. Now let's start our class. Chapter 5, The Little Boy's May-Day Song, and the poet is Eliza Lee Fullen. Question answers of the poem. Here are difficult words with their meaning. You have to write in your fair copy. So the first word is dell, which means small valley. Brogues means small stream. Glad means happy. Bleat means sound of lamp. Frisk means run and jump fearfully. Then pleasant means happy. Wreath means fresh new leaves. Yonder means over there. Hark means listen. Bounding means running and leaping. Mirth means happiness and hive means where bees live. Now here are question answers. Answer the questions with reference to the context. So question number 1 is, I love to hear their pleasant song. I feel as glad as they. Whose pleasant song is referred to? Pleasant song is referred to the little brogue. It was given in the second paragraph, means second stanza of the poem only. The little brogues, they dance along and look so glad and gay. So here the little brogue is compared to a pleasant song. Now see the question B. How do they appear to the child? They appear to the child glad and happy. Pick a word which means the same as happy. The word which means same as happy is glad. Now see question number 2. The trees that look so stiff and grey with green wreath now are hung. When did the trees look stiff and grey? So when did the trees look stiff and grey? In the early starting of spring. So the answer is the trees look stiff and grey when fresh new leaves are hung and early spring starts. Now see B question. How do they appear now? Now how do means how do they. They is here to trees. How the trees are looking now. They appear green and fresh now. Now see question. Which of the two appearances of the tree looks better to the child? So the answer is green and fresh appearance look better to the child. Now here are long questions. Answer these questions. Question number 1. What is the poem about? So the poem is about the celebration of May Day to welcome summer. Question 2. Name all the things that have been described as a part of spring. The things that have been described as a part of spring are, means the things which describe that the spring has started are, see point number 1 A. Flowers are blooming everywhere, means you can see flowers everywhere. The little brook looks so glad and gay. Young lamb bleat and play around. Bees hump, means you can see the sound of bees coming. Butterflies are coming out from the flowers. Trees look green and fresh. Birds fly and there is clear sky. Now see the question number 3. What does the poet tell us about a bird in spring? The poet tells that during early spring, birds make sounds and fly. Now see question number 4. What does the child's mother tell him? The child's mother told him to go out, play, laugh and rejoice. Now question number 5 is, in the lines, for he who made this blooming earth, who is he? So here he is God who made this beautiful earth. Now see question number 6. What in your opinion is special about an infant's joy? Infant joy means children, small children's. Now see the answer. In my opinion, the speciality about an infant joy is that babies are always special to God who created them in His own image that inspires smile. Now children, we have completed all the question answers of this chapter. So now all of you please go through all the online videos. If you have missed any video, then watch again and write question answers in your fair copy. I will also give PDF of this chapter and including all 4 chapters we have completed, means in literature we have completed total 5 chapters and in grammar we have completed total 3 chapters. So learn all the chapters and utilize your time. Please don't waste your time, okay, and study well. And if you have any doubts regarding any topic or any chapter, you can leave your comment below my video. I will clear your doubts. Now we will meet in our next class. Till then, be safe and stay at your home. Thank you.